We're asked to evaluate and simplify the expression a minus b when a equals negative 5/12 and b equals 1/12. For the first step, we'll substitute negative 5/12 for a and 1/12 for b, and then we'll find the difference. So the expression a minus b is equal to, when we write the fraction negative 5/12, to keep things organized, let's write the negative in the numerator. So we'll write negative 5/12 as negative 5 over 12, and then we have minus 1/12. Remember, in order to add or subtract fractions, we must have a common denominator, which we already have. Notice how we have a common denominator of 12. So when we find the difference, the denominator stays 12, and now we subtract the numerators. We have negative 5 minus 1. Remember, negative 5 minus 1 is equal to negative 5 plus negative 1, which equals negative 6. So the difference is negative 6/12, but now we need to simplify the fraction by simplifying out all the common factors between 6 and 12 other than 1. Well, the greatest common factor between 6 and 12 is 6, so one way to simplify the fraction would be to divide the numerator and denominator by 6. Negative 6 divided by 6 is negative 1, and 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Negative 1/2 is simplified because the only common factor between 1 and 2 is 2. So dividing the numerator and denominator by 6 is one way to show how to simplify the fraction. Another way would be to write the prime factorization of 6 and 12. So let's also show this. The prime factorization of 6 is 2 times 3, so we can write the numerator as negative 2 times 3. 12 is equal to 4 times 3, and 4 equals 2 times 2, so the prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. By writing out the prime factorization of the numerator and denominator, we can always see the common factors. 3 divided by 3 simplifies to 1, and so does 2 divided by 2. This is another way to show how the fraction simplifies to negative 1/2. Now let's look at our second example. We're asked to evaluate the expression x minus y when x equals 2/9 and y equals 4/9. So again, for the first step, we substitute 2/9 for x and 4/9 for y. So the expression x minus y is equal to 2/9 minus 4/9. Once again, we know we must have a common denominator in order to add or subtract fractions, which we already have. We have a common denominator of 9, so the denominator stays 9. And now we subtract the numerators. We have 2 minus 4. Remember, 2 minus 4 is equal to 2 plus negative 4, which equals negative 2. And therefore the difference is negative 2/9. And the only common factor between 2 and 9 is 1, and therefore this fraction is simplified. So now we know x minus y equals negative 2/9 when x equals 2/9 and y equals 4/9. I hope you found this helpful.